This is POCO C50 I have in front of me, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the account and sync category. In here, first step is to make sure that you have no Google accounts added to your system. If you have some, simply remove them like so. Once this step is out of the way, you can re-enter another settings category. This time it's going to be Google. Then tap at the parental controls over here. Get started, child or teenager, next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account, or if you do not have one, just sign up for it. In my case, I do have a Gmail account to use, so I'll simply start with entering the email address. Once it lets me to, then I'll follow it by the password, obviously. Then proceed with the login procedure. Onwards, you gotta select the account that you have just signed into from the list over here. Onwards, enter the credentials, thus email and password for another Google account. This time it should belong to you as a parent or supervisor. Or, to put it in simpler terms, enter the login data for the Google account you will be using to supervise your child's activity. Then, at the following About Supervision page, you gotta scroll it all the way down and enter the password to the child's Google account one more time. Upon doing so, tap at the Agree button. Then you will get the following pop-up window. So tap at the Allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then once those two get linked together, we can go forward. So the following step and the step that follows this one, we can skip both of them, since managing apps over here and setting content and age restrictions at the following page is something we can also, we can always do later on. And currently we are more focused on finishing this setup process, well, as soon as possible. From here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the one that you will use as a parent, you can tap at the blue button and get the Family Link application downloaded and installed on your supervisor's device automatically, or you can just skip this step and do everything that I said manually. So at this point, the parental controls were successfully set up at the child's end. Now you gotta take your your device that you'll use as a parent and download the Family Link app. Then launch it. Make sure to sign into Google Family Link with the parental account we have earlier entered the credentials for on the child's device. And inside the app itself, you can do all sorts of stuff. For example, set up the daily usage limits for your child's device, downtime routine, manage the app limits, apply content and age restrictions, configure account settings, manage devices if you have multiple added per se, monitor your child's live location if you have set up the location access at the child's device, and see the device usage highlights for your child or any other family member that you are a supervisor of. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.